Students, today we shall be beginning with the next topic of the practice book, that is the sentence. We'll be learning about what is a sentence and its parts. What is a sentence? A sentence is a grammatical unit of one or more words which expresses a complete thought. In simple language, we can say it's a group of words giving a complete idea, means giving us complete information. Conveys an idea by making an assertive question, command, or exclamatory statement. It always begins with a capital letter and ends with a suitable, with an appropriate punctuation mark. And every sentence has two parts. One is subject and other one is predicate. So what is a subject? A subject names a person or thing we are speaking about, means tells us who or what the sentence is about. In the example, as we see, football is played in every country in the world. Here, what is played in every country? Here, football. So football, we are talking about football, so it's our subject. Then what is a predicate? A part of sentence giving us information about the subject. Is played in every country in the world. What is played? So this is played. Football is played. So giving us information about the subject. This is our predicate. So we'll be learning now with the help of examples from the practice book. These are some of the sentences from the practice book. First, Helen Keller was born in Alabama. So here we are talking about Helen Keller. So this is our subject. And verb. Verb is was. As you know, I have discussed earlier, this is also known as our simple predicate. This part of the sentence is giving information about the subject. So this is our predicate. Next is Helen was a naughty girl. Who is a naughty girl? Who was a naughty girl? Helen. So this is our subject. Was a naughty girl. This is our predicate. And this was is our verb, simple predicate. Then every cloud has a silver lining. So we are talking about cloud. So cloud is our subject. Has a silver lining, our predicate. The next is verb is has. Most deaf people cannot talk. We are talking about deaf people. So deaf people is our subject and predicate cannot talk and verb is talk. Next is she died at the age of 88. So who died? She. This is our subject. Then died at the age of 88. This is our predicate and this is our verb, died. And one more thing I would like to add that subject doesn't always come in the beginning of the sentence. Sometimes it also comes in the second part of the sentence. Let's take some more examples to understand it. These are some of the sentences. First is, after doing his homework, John went to bed. So here, who went to bed? We are talking about John. This is our subject and our predicate. First, let's locate verb. This is our verb. Went to bed after doing his homework. This is our predicate. The next is, of all the months in the year, May is my favorite. So we are talking about which month? May. So this is our subject. This is our verb. Then predicate. The part of the sentence giving us information about the subject is my favorite of all the months in the year. This is our predicate. Next is, on Saturday mornings, my friends and I play football. So, who play football on Saturday mornings? My friends and I. So, here my friends and I. This is our subject. This is our verb. And play football on Saturday mornings. This is our predicate. Then sitting on the roof of my house was a huge black bird. So, we are talking about who was sitting on the roof. Blackbird. This is our subject. This is our subject and verb is was and sitting. So this whole sentence is giving us information about blackbird. Was sitting on the roof of my house. This is our predicate. The next is, whatever the reason, one should never lie. So here the sentence is talking about whom? Who should never lie? One should. One should never lie. So this is our subject, and should never lie, whatever the reason, this is our predicate. Let's take more examples. Mustering courage, she attacked the witch. Here, who attacked the witch? The person doing action. This is subject, attacked, verb. Attacked the witch, mustering courage. This is our predicate. Next is, out came the sun after a heavy downpour. So here we are talking about sun. Sun out came. So this is our subject, and after a heavy out came after a heavy downpour is predicate. Next is, over the fields the horse galloped. This is action word, verb, and we are talking about who galloped? Here horse galloped. So horse is our subject. Subject and predicate galloped over the fields. So this way we can find out subject and predicate in the sentences.